Hello, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And Delia, thank you so much for speaking with me on the phone earlier and kind of just giving me permission to shoot this video over to you guys. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy, right? I just wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence, right? You're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And to be honest, a lot of roofing contractors and roofing business owners are just too busy running their own business to really realize how the internet can bring them even more of that business, right? So I'm going to break down three tips and tricks that you can use to help propel you forward. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you about today is content, and then we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly we're going to talk about citations. Okay, in that specific order. Now, as I was kind of fiddling around with your website before I even started this video, I did appreciate the attention to detail that whoever made this website really did a really great job making this website, right? As I said, paying attention to detail, seeing your crew here kind of builds a sense of trust, right? People seeing that, you know what, these guys are from Bradenton, they actually know what they're doing. Things like that, that builds a sense of trust with people that are actually viewing your website, and I really did appreciate that. Now, Google, honestly, they care more about content, right, than anything else. So they want to see that you guys have content and that you guys have keywords that are relative to that content. So if I were to highlight your words here on your website here, and I press copy and put it in my word counter, and I could see exactly how many words you have here on your website. So it looks like you have 577 words on your website. Now, Google counts an authoritative website as a website that has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words. Now, they also want to see relevant keywords on that content, right? So you would want to include words such as roofing companies in Bradenton, roofing companies, Bradenton, Florida. You'd want to see roofing contractors, Bradenton, Florida, things like that, right? Those are some basic keywords that you could definitely use and just kind of place here and there on your website that would allow you to be more visible online, okay? Now, the second tip that I have for you are backlinks, okay? Now, backlinks, I went on ahead and typed your URL here into my tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, but there are other free tools out there that you can use that are completely free to you. All you would have to type into Google is like backlink checker for free, things like that. And that would basically help you see exactly what I'm seeing here. What Ahrefs does, it just pulls back the curtain to help me see exactly what's going on in the background. And it kind of breaks down some stats and analytics, things like that. So with that being said, according to my tool here, you have 41 referring domains. And what that is just there are 41 websites that are linking to you. And then the backlinks are just the number of times that these websites are linking to you. Okay, so you have 41 different websites that are linking to you, and they're doing so 347 times. Now you have 66 people on average visiting your website per month, bringing you a total of $309 in traffic value. Now I went on ahead and did the same thing to your competitors over here, Storm Roofing and Repair, which were the top of Google here. So they were up here number 3, and then they were also on top of you guys here. Okay, now I went on ahead and did the same thing for them, and as you can see here, they have less referring domains, or actually I should say they have a little more referring domains than you are, but they have less backlinks than you are, okay? But they're still ranking higher. So what this tells me, and they're bringing in almost the same amount of traffic value. Now what this tells me is basically that your backlinks are working twice as hard to get you to where you're at, okay? And there could be a lot of different factors, right, that pertain to that. But honestly, it could just be that your backlinks aren't as strong as Storm Roofing and Repair's backlinks are, okay? Now, as you can see here, they are seeing more people visiting their website per month, bringing them 107, and yours is at 66, so almost double, right? Now, as I said earlier, their backlinks are probably stronger, which brings up a point for you, for me to say that not all backlinks are created equal, okay? Google knows that you're not a restaurant or an Arby's or anything like that, right? So they don't want to see other restaurants or anything that is not relevant to what you do pushing traffic to you, okay? They want to see other trusted websites that are relevant to what you do, right? So other roofing companies, you've got roofing blogs or roofing forums, all those are great tips, right, for you to use. So you would want those other websites like that and blogs and forums pushing traffic to you, and it builds power, it builds trust. Essentially, Google is a popularity contest, and they want to see other websites that are relevant to you pushing traffic to you. Okay, it brings them more power, brings them more relevancy, and it allows you to remain at the top. Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, okay? And a directory can be anywhere between Home Advisor, you've got Angie's List, you've got Yelp, White Pages and Yellow Pages, and you've also got a ton of different directories to your local market, right, of Bradenton, Florida. Now, the citations are where you are able to land up here in the map pack. Okay, so if you have a lot of citations, then you'll most likely be in the top 3 here in the map pack. Okay, and if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? This is why Storm Roofing is probably getting more phone calls than you are at the moment, which is, I mean, not bad. But if you're wanting to be #1 in Bradenton, well, then you're definitely going to want to be here in the map pack. Okay, most people don't go down here to the 3rd or 4th page of Google, right, to find what they're looking for. Most people trust the map pack. They see the business right then and there because it's most likely to answer their question. Okay, now you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So there are 2 options that you can take, right, or 2 paths that you can take. So the first one would be to take all this knowledge and all of this information and just utilize it to your website. Being able to rank yourself, and that's completely fine. You know, some people contact me back, some people don't, and that's completely fine, right? I'm just here to help businesses out. And if this is if there's anything I can tell you, I mean, I'd want you to increase the amount of content that you have on your website. I would also want you to research the amount of backlinks that your competitors have that are quality to help rank you higher. And then taking those citations, the same citations that your competitors have, because if they're good enough to rank them, well, then they're good enough to rank you. Okay. And then, but if you're like some of my other clients that reach out to me and say, you know what, Jesus, you know, I do need some guidance in this area. I would definitely like some help. Well, then you can reach out to me and I can see what I can do to help you. Okay. And thank you so much again for taking the time to watch this video. And I hope you guys have an amazing day.